Changing your subscription plan on Palmetto Solo is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transition to your desired plan. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Palmetto Solo website and log into your account using your registered email and password. Make sure you have access to the account associated with your current subscription. Step 2. Navigate to subscription settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Review current plan. In the subscription settings, review your current plan details. Take note of the features and pricing to compare with the new plan you wish to switch to. Step 4. Select new plan. Browse through the available subscription plans. Click on the plan you want to switch to and review its details, including pricing and features. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting your new plan, follow the prompts to confirm the change. You may need to provide payment information or agree to new terms. Make sure to save your changes before exiting. After completing these steps, you should receive a confirmation of your new subscription plan via email. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Palmetto Solo's customer support for assistance.